Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer any type of file from your iPhone to your OPPO Find X5 Pro or any OPPO Find X5 series like Lite or just normal X5. So we'll be using Send Anywhere app on both of the devices, so we need to download them. Now open App Store on your iPhone. Let me find it. It's right here. And Google Play Store on your OPPO. Here write Send Anywhere. And click on this app, install. Do the same thing on the iPhone, Send Anywhere. And search. Click on this app, download it. Now we can open the app on Android and set it up already. Confirm, continue, grant the access to the files, and the app is ready. And since we'll be receiving files on this phone, we need to change the tab from send to receive, like that. Yes, I agree, and close the window. Now open the app on our iPhone, and here we'll need to allow all permissions, like that, and we're ready to send any type of files. So the first thing we see here is photos. So let's pick 3 of the photos by simply selecting them. In the top left corner there's an icon which we can press to select the files, like that. There's 3 photos selected. We can move to videos, and here we can select any video that we want to send. In the contacts you can send any contacts that you want, so let's pick this one. In the files you can select any type of other files than this, like rare files or MP3s or any kind of stuff. So now we have the files ready and we can press send. Okay, and here you can find the code which you'll need to enter right here. There's also option for QR code or sharing the link, but I'm gonna use the code version, so simply input the code right here and press OK. Now in a second we should start receiving files after accepting another access to the phone, and we have files on our phone already. So we can press on the contacts in order to add them to our contact list, like that. We can check the images that we've just sent. Let's go back to the contacts. And we can see the contact that we've just added right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.